was a lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a press-on nail haul. Now I am a nail tech, but I do like to collect press-on nails for some reason. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it. Most of the time I always do my nail, like 99% of the time. One time I did not get a chance to do it was because of something that came up and I had to wear one of my press-on nails. But yeah, I bought them just in case of emergency, and I just love the styles, so I just can't help myself. So if you want to see my collection, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. And to my returning subscribers, hey girl, what's up? So yeah, let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so that I can have organization in this video, I'm going to go by brand. I bought some of these nails from Walmart, Walgreens, the dollar store, and the beauty supply store. And I think that's about it. So the first brand I'm going to show you guys is Kiss. So this right here is the pale mint green color. Well, it's not a mint green, it's like a baby blue. And they consider this long. So yeah, this is in the size long. Cute. This is in the gel fantasy. It's a high volume gel. This looks so cute. I just had to get it. By the way, all these Kiss press-on nails do come with glue inside, and it comes with an applicator stick and some other jazzy stuff, I believe. But next is these right here. This is in long as well. This is like a gold, and then it has, as you can see, it's like a chrome gold and glitter gold. Sexy, popping. And then the glitter on here, to me, I think it's actual glitter on here, as you guys can see. This is in the style Glam Fantasy. Poppin', poppin'. Next is the Gel Fantasy. This is also in long. This is like a glitter, and then it's like a yellow. It's like a liquid light yellow. Cute. Pop it. Next is Glam Fantasy. This is in size medium. This is like a mermaid, gives me mermaid vibes. It has like a ripples in here, and then next is Gel Fantasy. I'm pretty sure everybody have seen these in the store, and yes honey, I had to get my hands on this. This is also in long. Jelly Fantasy, poppin', comes with rhinestones on it, and also comes with glitter as well. Cute. And then these are the nails that I have worn before when I had an emergency. This is in short. This is like a nude color. I love nudes color, so yeah. Next is Glam Fantasy. This is like a seashell theme. It's the size small. Cute. You know, all of these are cute, y'all. Poppin'. It's also by Kiss. Now this is their Halloween theme nails, and the nails do glow in the dark. It's in the size, I believe this is in long. It's a limited edition, and I had to get this, y'all. I just had to. Comes with glitter, and as you can see, it's like a cross, and in the background it's like a black and white, and it's kind of like what word I'm looking for, tie-dye-ish. And then this color is gray. Very poppin'. Everybody probably have seen these. These are like the pink ones, and they're like rhinestones all over them. Let me take them out so you how they're looking. Poppin'. These nails I got from the dollar store. This is like a chrome or dual chrome. If I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me, but these are Dollar Tree nails. I wish I had found these in different colors. I haven't tried them yet, so hopefully they're like durable and whatnot. These do not come with glue, but it's only $1. So if you guys have tried these, let me know. I want to know if I need to go back and get some, if they're of quality. I got this from my beauty supply store. As you can see, it was $1.99, and it's like a dual chrome color, and I was like, most of the time when you get dual chromes, they're like $8, and I was like, I have to get these. Next is LA Colors, and these were, I think, $3. The Kiss nails were about $8, and whatnot. But these were about $4. This is the neon. I had to get these. Cute, popping. As you can see, I have a thing for coughing. I just realized that. This is also by LA Colors. I got this also from the dollar store. I believe this is short or medium. Cute, y'all. Look how it's just so cute, y'all. And I also got this from Dollar Tree as well. Cute. Hope you guys can see the color. I just had to get them. It was like $1. Like, why not? The last pair I got from Walmart, and this was their Halloween press-on nails for $3. But like, who can tell? Who can tell, Lella? Who can tell? Popping. So that is it for my haul. It was very short and simple. Well, I don't know. I've seen some people hauls and they have a whole box. So I don't feel too bad about my little, I don't know, whatever you call it. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.